Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our brand new kit. It is our Stamp and Colour Mini and it is called Santa Paws. It is our first Christmas of the Stamp and Colour kits we have released this year, and it is super cute. Let me take you through what's in the kit. So of course you've got the Santa Paws stamp, you've got Santa Paws is coming to town, all the cute little dogs dash down through the snow. Super cute. This is the laser cut that's in the kit. It says Merry Christmas and Love and Joy, and a cute little fireplace on there with the stockings. Little cut apart sheet that's in the kit. This uses die number 5 and die number 6, and all of these sweet papers which just match this Christmas collection so perfectly. All the paws for the cats and the dogs. And of course you've got your little magazine, which is full of lots of cute little ideas on how to use the stamp. Alright, so the add-ons we have got, this is the Christmas Passion stencil, and then this is the fussy cutting die for Christmas, for Santa Paws. We actually have a second stamp releasing with this because you can't have Christmas cats without Christmas dogs. So this is Santa Claus, and look at all these cute little stamps. This is an add-on, it doesn't come in the kit, but the girls have given you ideas of how to use this in the kit book if you are wanting to purchase this cute little cat stamp as well. Show you some of the cards. The girls have also used from our DT in some of their designs this stamp here. This is our stamp from last year. It's called Oh Christmas Tree, and it's a great stamp. So why do another tree when we've already got an amazing one? This is Summer Ashley's card. She's used that stencil in the background. Isn't he adorable? There's the little dash hound, and she's used texture paste through the stencil and inks on it. Another cute little puppy. This is the laser cut, this one here. Love this guy too. And this is our candy stripe background die, which works really well for Christmas as well. This one is Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, and how adorable are those mice for the Santa Claus stamps. The slimline one here, Love and Joy, that's off the laser cut. And this is the tree, that's the Oh Christmas Tree stamp I was telling you about. Wishing you a perfect Christmas. Couple more. There's another one with the tree. How adorable is this little scene? This is created using the laser cut. More cats. Love this little snowfield one with the dogs. And you have seen the other ones. So yeah, you can add on extra cut apart sheets, you can add on extra laser cuts, and of course you can add on the extra stamp. So this is our brand new release. Hope you love it as much as we do. And yes, of course, we're going to have Aussie Christmas coming next month in November. But this one is Santa Paws and Santa Claus for October. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.